Why do you think you've seen so many ads for Toyota, Ford and BMW? Just about never a Tesla ad though. There are no pop-up ads. There are no TV ads. Not any catchy tunes. Nothing. Still, Tesla is one of the most well-known car names in the world. So how did they do that without spending any money on standard ads? Let's look at how Tesla broke the rules of marketing, made their brand so strong that it sells itself, and hacked the system. Before we can understand Tesla's plan, we need to go back to 2008. Tesla wasn't always a well-known brand. Indeed, when they released their first car, the Roadster, they were a niche company that only tech nerds and electric car fans in Silicon Valley knew about. What about old-fashioned ads? It cost too much. Tesla was spending a lot of money just to stay living. They didn't have the money for million-dollar efforts. Instead, they relied on something much stronger. Interested. Having the thought of an all-electric fast sports car. It was enough to make people talk. More importantly, it was enough to make the news. Tesla didn't have to pay to be seen. They deserved it. Every new thing Elon Musk did, every change and every big claim he made the news. For free, the media pretty much became Tesla's marketing staff. But it wasn't just about the news. Even smarter, Tesla made their cars interesting to talk about. Tesla did a lot more than just make electric cars. They made signs of power. It was sleek, modern, fast, and full of technology that made people wonder, wait, your car can do what? Hands off. Software changes over the air. Crazy modes for speeding up. This car has a 17-inch touchscreen in the middle dash. They even played Christmas music and made the car dance. It all made one thing, a buzz. And because it comes from real people you trust, buzz is better than ads. Hey friends, family, internet sites, YouTube, people who took a picture, tweeted, or made a movie about a Tesla feature were doing what advertisers spend millions of dollars on, getting people excited. Then there's Elon Musk. Anything you say about Musk will make him look bad. More than 100 million people follow him on Twitter, now X, so every tweet he makes is news. He doesn't have to spend a dime to move markets, start memes, or make things popular. It's marketing based on personality. But this is where it gets more interesting. The fact that Tesla doesn't advertise also fits with the company's brand ideals. Tesla markets itself as a company with a mission, not just selling cars, but also speeding up the world's move to clean energy. Instead of spending money on ads, Tesla puts that money back into things it thinks are more important. Much better batteries, more quickly made, infrastructure for charging, research and development for AI and solar. That tells them, we're not here to sell you something. We want to make the world a better place. That message hits home. Even more so with early adopters, tech fans, and environmentally concerned buyers. The very people who helped Tesla build its cult-like following. But here's the really cool part. Tesla's decision not to promote didn't hurt their brand. In fact, it made it stronger. People were interested in it more. That made them look further. It made each new news story feel like a big deal. In a strange way, that plan worked so well that other car makers are now using it too. Ford, GM, and even Mercedes have tried to launch their electric vehicles with a lot of press and hype. But Tesla is the best at what he does. Now, Elon Musk recently gave a hint that Tesla might start doing informational ads in the future. But even if they do, the brand has already shown something truly amazing. You don't have to talk over other people to get their attention. People will talk about your project if it's really cool, bold, and unique. Tesla didn't try to get attention. They deserved it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.